Let's see how to customize grid lines in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to customize our grid lines. So first, let's go ahead and show those grid lines and see what they look like. And as you can see, we now have our grid lines right here. Now these grid lines merely serve as a guide for us to be able to see where our text will start and end for each line. However, we can also edit these lines. So for example, let's go ahead onto the layout tab and click on align right here. And let's go to grid settings. And here under grid settings, you can edit the horizontal spacing, and that will refer to the two vertical lines in between each box. So if you increase this, you'll notice that the lines have also increased between each box. And the same thing, you can also edit it for the vertical spacing, wherein if you want to increase your vertical spacing, you can simply increase the value there and that will reflect on your grid lines. So this is helpful if you're trying to align different sections or different lines within your document, and these grid lines can be editable so that you can make sure that your alignment is properly and professionally done. And that is how you can do basic adjustments to your grid lines in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.